On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make $200 per day using an AI bot. The best part is that this method does not require any experience, it does not require any skills. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to search for OpenAI. Once you search for it, you are going to click on the first website right here. You can see openai.com. Just click on that. Once you click on OpenAI, you are going to see a page like this. This website has a lot of different tools that you can use for free. One of the tools that we are going to be using today is ChatGPT. So you have to just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here ChatGPT. Just click on that. Once you click on ChatGPT, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to create your free accounts. So just click right here, try ChatGPT. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So you can just click right here, sign up, so that you can sign up for your free accounts. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Just click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to provide your details so that you can create a free account. In this case, I have my account, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how to use this particular bot. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. This is the interface of it. You can see it right here, ChatGPT. This particular bot helps you to do a lot of different things. It helps you to write articles, it helps you to create softwares, and a whole lot of different things that you can use this particular chatbot to do. For example, if you want to create a software, you can type your instruction right here and ChatGPT will do the work for you. For example, I'm going to instruct it to create a software for me. As you can see, this is my instruction. I want to create a software that can generate logo samples. So you can see my instruction right here. Create a PHP to generate logo samples when users enter a keyword and click generate. So you have to make sure that your instruction is clear so that ChatGPT can do the work with accuracy. Once you type your instruction right here, you're going to click on go and it's going to generate a free software for you. As you can see, it is generating the software. You can see this is the software that it is generating. As you can see, it has generated a code for me. So what you have to do is that you have to just click right here, copy code, so that you can embed this particular code onto your website. Once you embed it, you are going to get a free software that can generate logo samples. Another way that you can use ChatGPT is to use it to write articles. For example, you can see this is a title of an article that I want to write. So what you have to do is that you have to just type the title right here. Once you type it, you are going to click on go and it's going to write a nice article for you. You can see it is going to write the article. As you can see, it has started writing the article. As you can see, this is a full article that it has written. You can see the article has no intro. If you want an introduction, you can just come right here and then edit your instructions. So for example, I'm going to edit it. Just click on edit button. Once you click on edit button, you are going to type something like start with an introduction. So just something like this, start with an introduction. So this instruction is clear. Once you have your instruction clear, you are going to click on save and submit and it's going to start the article with an introduction. You can see it has started with an introduction. You can see everything. You can see this is the introduction of the article and you can see it is writing the rest of the content. As you can see, it has finished writing the content of the article. If you want to elaborate on each of the points, you can instruct it to do that. For example, I'm going to type something like write a blog section for each of the points. So as you can see, I want ChatGPT to elaborate on each of these points. So you are going to type a simple instruction like this, write a blog section for each of the points. So once you have your instruction, just click on it and it's going to elaborate on each of the points right here. As you can see, based on my instruction, it has elaborated on each of the points. You can see everything. Let me just scroll down. You can see this is now a lengthy article. You can see everything. So you can sell this particular article. You can use it to promote your affiliate products. You can post it on social media so that you can drive traffic back to your affiliate link. So whatever that you want to use the content for, you can use it for free. There's not going to be any copyright strike. Apart from the article writing, ChatGPT can also do translation. So for example, I'm going to copy this particular text right here. So let me just copy it. Once you have your text, you are going to instruct it to translate the text. So you can just type something like translate this text to German. So something like this, translate this text to German. So once you have your instruction like this, you are going to paste your text right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your text, you are going to click right here, go, and it's going to translate the text. As you can see, it is translating the text. You can see it, everything. So you can use ChatGPT to do a lot of different things. As you can see, it is translating the text. You can see this is the German translation of this particular text. As you can see, it is translating everything. You can see it is done. The text has been translated. The next step is that I'm going to show you how to make money with this particular content. So you are going to come on this website, writeraccess.com. This website is looking for workers. So what you have to do is that you have to just click right here for freelancers. Once you click on for freelancers, you can see right here you can work as a freelancer and you are going to get a higher pay. You can see it right here. Once you scroll down and come right here, you can see explore our gig or job openings. So just click right here, explore skill opening list. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see these are the industries that you are going to be working with. They need expertise like blogger, comedic writer, copywriter, general writer, journalist, legal writer, technical writer, transcriptionist. You can see they need editors, content strategists. You can see designers, you can see illustrator, photographer, videographer, you can see web designer, translators. So you can be asked to translate a text to any of these languages. As you can see, a whole lot of them. In this case, you can use ChatGPT to do translation for you on this website and you are going to be making money. You can also use it to write a blog post. So you can sign up as a blogger on this platform and you are going to be using ChatGPT to do the writing for you. You can also sign up as a copywriter. ChatGPT can help you write any text that you want. So you have to sign up as a blogger, copywriter. You can also sign up as a translator and you are going to be making money on this platform using ChatGPT. If you want to apply, you can just click right here, apply now. It is free, so you can apply at any time. Once you click on apply now, you can see you are required to sign up with your LinkedIn accounts. If you don't have a LinkedIn, you have to sign up for one. Once you sign up for a LinkedIn account, you can use it to create your free accounts on this platform so that you can be making money as a freelancer using ChatGPT. Apart from this website, you can also come on this website, textbroker.com. So once you are on their website, you are going to click right here, write content. Once you select that, you are going to select the payment. We want to see how much we are going to be paid per every article that we write. So just click on payment. Once you click on payment, you can see earn money online. So let me scroll down to show you the amount that you are going to earn per article. As I scroll down, you can see on this platform they have 3-star writer, they have 4-star writer, and they have 5-star writer. So it depends on the quality of your article. If your article is of high quality, you are going to be making a lot of money. If it is low quality, you are not going to be making a lot of money. You can scroll down and then calculate the amount that you can earn with your articles. Once you scroll down, you can see if your content is of medium quality, you are going to be making $16 per 1,000 words. If you are a 5-star writer, you are going to be making $55 per 1,000 words. So let me drag it for you to see. If you want to make up to $100 per day, you need to write up to 2,200 words, as you can see it right here. So it depends on the quality of the articles that you publish on this platform. You can use ChatGPT to write high quality content. So make sure you sign up for these two websites. Once you sign up for these two websites, you can use ChatGPT to do the work for you and you are going to be earning money using these two websites that I've shown you. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.